Okay, will they come off and will it bring the paint off? I'm talking about these pinstripes that is on my GMC Sonoma. This was done, the whole truck was painted in about 2012. And short time after that, I got a little ding in it right here. I don't know if the camera will show it or not, but anyway, there's a little ding right about here. And at the time, that was the only dent that was in it, so I thought that I would put these pinstripes on it. To be honest, I'm tired of looking at them. I want them off. So the question is, will they come off and will it bring the paint? Well, there ain't but one way to find out is to try it. Let's do her. Okay, I'm going to try this. I'm going to rub it and just get them just a little bit warm to where they won't be hard and brittle. The truck has always been kept in this building, so let's see if they come off or what. You know what, guys, they started. I don't know what's fixing to take place here because I am pulling both of them at the same time. Oh my God, this makes you nervous. Well, they are coming out so far. Well, now that you get the general idea how we are doing this, I'm just simply pulling them off real slow. They will either do this all the way through or break, or sometimes it pulls the clear off. This was prepped pretty good, so I'm hoping that all of this will come off and all will be good. Well, we about got a fender. We just like another fender. 2 doors and 2 bed quarters and a tailgate. We are just about there with one solid pull with both stripes. That is stinking amazing. Well, now I will show you in a moment what I will do to pull some of this glue off. I doubt the camera shows it, but there will be a little glue on it. In fact, I can feel it through there. We will just simply take some clearing wax and clean it up here in a little bit. Okay, I'm to the quarter of the truck bed, and there's the dent. That is my concern. Will the paint peel when it reaches this point right here, because it was cracked? So, let's find out. Here goes. Well, I'm telling you, this has a decent paint job on it still, and kind of makes you nervous pulling these pinstripes off. And they've been on there since about 2000. Alright, we at the place. I thought there was a scratch there. Darn. Well, I might have should have left them. But we did pull them this far and it did not. Well, that looks bad, don't it? Now I know why I put the pinstripes on it. Oh well. We have one good side, that right? Well, there's the pinstripes. And we will do clean the little glue that might be left on it. This side looks actually pretty good, but we will do a cleanup on it and see what she looks like from there. See, by now the truck's getting a few little dings and scratches, so that one on the other side ain't gonna matter now. But anyways, let's do a little cleanup on it and see what it looks like on the final cleanup. I apologize for the poor lighting in this place. The lights decided to quit on me, and we're doing the best we can. Might be a good thing I can't see it, right? Because so far I didn't get any paint that peeled off, any clear. Just like I said, it left just a little bit of the glue off the pinstripes. It's kind of up in the air with me which way I liked it. I kind of like it without them. It gives it a more smoother, cleaner look. But on the other hand, the pinstripes kind of broke up all of that red. Of course, if you like red, I guess that's a good thing. But anyways, let's get this finished up. Okay, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, right here. That is the little glue that it leaves behind after you remove the pinstripes. Okay, what we're going to do is just simply take some cleaner wax to clean that little bit of sticky on it in a few places, and I think the cleaner wax will work just fine. That and a couple cloths to clean it up with, one to put it on and one to wipe it off. So let's apply it and see what happens. Okay, what I done, I just took a little of that cleaner wax and just put it on a cloth, and now let's see if it'll rub out. Well guys, there you have it, all cleaned up. We are now pinstripeless. I tell you what, that was a nail biter right there, because it still has pretty good paint on it, and I will just tell you that was a nail biter. But the reason that I went ahead and removed these pinstripes was the truck has always been kept in a building that's never been exposed to real hot sun or anything such as that, and I thought that they would come off from my experience from the past, and they came off just fine. But I always remember, if these things had been on there and the car had been sitting outside a lot, I always remember, if you're going to attempt this thing, it very well could take the paint with it, and a lot of times does. But on this one, I knew that I knew about it, and I knew that it probably wouldn't pull the paint off, and so always be aware of that. And they also make a little wheel that you can put on a drill or something such as that, and just run it through and take these things off. If you think that they are aged pretty bad, this was pretty fresh. So I wasn't worried really about it pulling the paint off. But if you are and want to remove pinstripes, that's a good way to do it, is get you one of those little wheels, and it will take it right off with no problem and do the same cleaning process, and you will be good. Well, you will be good to go. So, well, there it is, guys. Just always keep that in mind of how long the pinstripes have been on there, what condition your paint is in. Before you even tackle a job like this, like I've already said, I was pretty sure that these would come off, because the truck is sitting in this building most of its life and hasn't even been out that much. So I thought they would come off, and they did. It's done a good job. So have a good one.